So to recognise that, we wanted to take a moment for every single person to receive a little certificate, have a little bit of champagne flute, but not quite with champagne. And so we're going to dive straight in, guys, because in order to make sure that every single person gets that little moment, we're going to have to move very, very quickly. Every single person will get their certificate. Every single person will get that moment.
It has been an absolute honour to watch you grow over those 3 years, but we are not done yet. There are 2 more huge years left for you in this school. There is so much more progress for you to make, so much more for you to learn. If you keep working hard, if you keep supporting each other, I have absolute faith that every single one of you will make your mark, not just on this school, but on this world.
My goodness, I am so proud of how far you have all come, and you're about to become year 10, starting your GCSEs. It has been such an incredible journey for you, from year 7 through to 8, but you have done it. You are incredible human beings, and you are going to go on and be so successful in life. I absolutely loved being your head of year, and I know that Mr. Austin is absolutely loving having that role now and taking you under his wing.
From 9 Catch, Faduma, Abdul Kadir, Zavani, Fallis, Riddi, Sidi, Kusum, Dylan, Nalida, Lewis, Zainab, Apeksha, Faisal,
Many of you, the very first day that you came in through the gate and lining up in your forms with me, with Mr. Fayers, with Mr. Akhtar, all of our Year 7 form tutors. And looking at this year group now, you are almost unrecognisable. We're going to move on because there's some really fun things for us to look at in the rest of this assembly. So I'm going to pass over to Ms. Peter to go over a few memories from earlier in your time at the school.
So we're just going to go through, and later on I have a couple of videos for you all. So let's just get started now. So start off with Year London, Trip to London Dungeons. Familiar faces, the boys
massively, and I couldn't be more proud of you, and I'm really looking forward to the next year together. I'm really grateful actually that I am still going to be your deputy head of year. So onwards and upwards, exciting things for the future.
Hi AGARD, it's been such a pleasure watching you from year 7 sending Mamadou out of the class on our very first day to today at the end of year 9. I am so proud of each and every one of you from where we have come to where we're going to be. I can't wait for more shows, more trips, more enrichment, watching you in your GCSEs, and more importantly, going to prom together. All of you deserve the very, very best, and I can't wait to be there supporting you throughout. Good luck, Year 9.
What's this thing? Great. Okay. Looks smart. Carry. Okay. And 3. Oh. Hi guys. Great to see you. Hope you're all well. Mr. Austin tells me that you are all graduating Key Stage 3 today. Congratulations. Well done, all of you. Today is all about you, so enjoy the day, enjoy the assembly, and keep being amazing. Take care. Bye.
Best of luck for next year. We are with you every step of the way.
We're really excited to see you make progress into Key Stage 4, and let's have a wonderful last few weeks together.
Hi Year 9, I just want to say congratulations on your graduation today. I'm incredibly proud of how far you've all come. You've come such a long way since year 8. You've grown up, you've matured, and it makes me so happy to see. I'm wishing you the best of luck in Key Stage 4, and please continue to make us proud and continue working towards your success.
I've been incredibly proud to be your form tutor this year. I would just like to say congratulations for finishing year 9, for nearly finishing year 9. myself and Miss Papani have just come to the realisation about how proud we are of the form.
Hello, 9 Burns. It's Mr. Fayers, all the way from Dubai. I can't believe it's been a whole year since I last saw you. I hope that in that year you've gone from strength to strength, that you've worked hard and you've taken up all the opportunities that Elvin has to offer you. Hopefully, maybe I'll see you at some point in the next few years. I might pop into Elvin and say hello. But all the best from me and best of luck for the future.